us tonight as they give God praise through bands tonight. Thank you, Jesus. Let your glory fill this place. Let your all-consuming fire fill this tabernacle and purify our hearts. Surround us in this place. Want you to breathe new life within. Send a refreshing love.